In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open Excel sheet. If you are trying to open an Excel file quickly, the process is simple, and it starts with using the keyboard to bring up the Open menu. This is especially helpful when you already have a file you need, or when you want to jump right back into something you worked on recently. First, press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. When you do this, your screen should respond by opening the Open menu. In most versions of Windows and Microsoft Office, this action brings up a window where you can browse for an Excel file, or choose from your existing files. Take a moment here to look at what appears on your screen. You should see an interface that is meant for opening files, often with options to navigate through folders. After the Open menu appears, you will want to look for the section that lists files you have used recently. This area might be labeled Recent, and it usually shows a small list of the most recently accessed files. This feature exists to save you time. Instead of hunting through folders, you can open the Excel sheet right away from that list. Now, double-click any file that you see listed under Recent. As soon as you double-click, the Excel file should begin loading. If the file is not huge, it may open almost instantly. If it is larger, you may see it take a few seconds to fully display. This is normal, and it simply means the program is retrieving the document from where it is stored. While the file opens, it can help to watch for the Excel window to appear. You should see the workbook come up with either a specific worksheet or multiple worksheets. Sometimes the file may open directly to the last sheet you were viewing, depending on how it was saved. If you are opening a spreadsheet that contains important data, give it a second to finish loading so that all tables, formatting, and calculations are ready. If you have opened a file successfully, you can confirm by looking at the Excel interface. You will see the grid with cells, and you may also see worksheet tabs if the workbook includes multiple sheets. At this point, you are inside the Excel sheet and ready to read, review, or make changes. If you do not see the file you want in the recent list, you would still be in the same Open menu that you opened earlier with Ctrl+O. From there, you can browse to the correct folder and choose the file you need. But for this lesson, the key actions are the keyboard shortcut and the recent list. The recent list is the fastest path when your file appears there. To keep things moving smoothly, remember that double-clicking is different from single-clicking. A single click typically just highlights the file name, but it does not open the document. Double-clicking sends the Open command, and that is what launches the Excel sheet. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know. With Ctrl+O and the recent list, you can open an Excel sheet quickly whenever you are ready to get back to your work.